Hi friends, welcome to Future Rising Consulting Private Limited, an ISO certified company. With the help of this video, we are trying to make you understand how you can work on the software of PawnShop. I request you to watch the video till the end and contact us if you have any query. On the desktop, there is a software named PSP. You have to click on that. When you click on it, the software will get open. For this, the username is user and the password is PASS. Both you have to write in small letters and then you have to click on login. In the insert option, you have to fill the forms. From the modify option, you can update whatever you have filled, and the backup you have to create on a daily basis. Restore, settings, help are for the technical department. Initially, you have to start with insert. All the images will appear over here. You have to select one image and then you have to click on image show. The data will appear over here. The data is in a horizontal sequence and you have to type the data in a vertical sequence. You have to start with the purchase date. Then client's name. The initials will be your customer name initials. Like the name is Mozilla Adam, the initials will be M.A. in capital. If the customer name first letter is in capital, the initials will be in capital. If it's in small, then the initials will be in small. Then client's email. Then client's address. Then city, state, zip, home phone number. Work phone. Login time. Reference number. Agency number. PVN. Basic amount. The basic amount you have to consider in lakhs. That means whatever the basic amount will be, you have to multiply it by 1 lakh. Then commission. The total amount will be basic amount plus commission. $48,000 plus 2,904. That comes out to be 50,904. This will be your total amount. Then discount. Now you have to calculate net amount. Whatever the total amount you will be receiving, you have to subtract discount and then you have to give the percentage sign. Whatever you will be receiving after is equal to, you have to write it in net amount till 2 decimal points. That is 47004 decimal 75. Then amount in words. You have to write the amount in dollars and cents. Then agency name. Then credit card number. Then remark N.A. in capital letters. After filling up this form, you have to click on save. This form will get saved. Now in the modify option, you can update whatever you have filled. You have to click on modify. You have to select the form number. Then you have to click on search. The number of forms you will be filling in one image all will appear over here. You have to double click on the form and the form will get open. Here you can make the corrections if any. Then you can click on update. The last thing is to create the backup. You just have to click on the backup. This backup will be created in C drive in the PSP folder. The backup will get created according to the date automatically. You have to submit as the last date backup file that you will be creating on your last date of your submission. This is how you have to work on the software. I hope you have understood how you have to work on it. Thank you so much.